2, 3. Whoa! It's a box. What's inside the box, Audrey?
What's inside the box?
What's inside the box? Do you have your scissors?
It's open, just you gotta turn it around. No. It's like a...
Like this, right?
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, you gotta help me pull that.
Yeah.
No, this right here. Daddy got me roller skates, Audrey, look!
Yeah.
And they're green! He's even got the right color, they're green. Oh my god. Mommy's gonna roller skate with you. Do you want me to roller skate with you? Yeah?
But I can't
Oh my god.
Let's check those out. Let's see what those look like. Wow.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
The best present I've ever gotten in my life. Wow. Oh my god, Dad. Thank you.
I hope they fit.
Hurry up, hurry